Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Robert, the Daily Trader. It is March 14th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up $8.78, 5.03%, closed at 183.26. Post-market, we seem to be up by 89 cents, 0.49%, 184.15. Incredible. So basically what's happened today is that the CPI report, the Customer Price Index, was basically in line with the expectations. So people are just so happy. So people are happy and stock market is all happy. It's like SVB never happened. People are thinking that the interest rates might be increased by a lower amount because we had a good CPI. This is going to help the stock market for a while. Now we need to adjust. Based on what we see now, we need to adjust our things a little bit. The support at 167 is still on, blah, blah, blah. The 187 resistance is still on. The 214 is still on. But right now, what is really happening is that we are having a low. We have a low right here. We have a low, which is this low here is a higher low than this low right here. This is a higher low. This allows us to do this new bullish channel, a bigger bullish channel. This one was quite short. It was short, and the short ones don't last a long time. And then we came out of it, blah, blah, blah. But now we need to start thinking about a possible rebound on this bigger bullish channel. So we have a green candle today, fully above the candle that we had yesterday. This is really a big move. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart. We're into this downward channel since February 28th. That was a long time. We were into this downward channel and now we are completely out of it. So this morning we came out of it. Nice green candle, stayed sideways a little bit. We still have some resistance right here at around 184. We see it. We seem to be, we could be breaking it tomorrow morning, but we have some resistance right here. And the outlook on the 1 hour chart has changed completely. We have a stochastic at 97, MACD looking pretty good after having this crossover. Well, it had a few crossover, but the last one was approximately here. RSI is good and DMI will still need a little bit more convincing. But this is a nice move right here. We have a break of our downward resistance. So Tesla stock is no longer into sell mode. So let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators a little bit. So we have stochastic at 35. So stochastic is not yet ripe. We have, so MACD might be able to recover a little bit. It was coming down. We had one line below zero and it might be able to recover. RSI close to being over 50 and DMI is starting to recover also. We need to be careful here. I think we need to still cross 187.41. We still need to cross that. We still need to have a good stochastic in order to de-risk the bullish move. What could be happening is that we could be having a move like this. So this is entirely possible that we have a move like this. Then the second time we cross it, that might be the best time. I am saying this because this is moving quite fast, but we don't have a good stochastic yet. We could be having a stabilization period and then having a little bit of a move down. And then at that point, we should get stochastic and we could have a move right here. I am telling this to you so that you don't get all excited, even if we break 187.41. So we have been coming down quite systematically. We should be suspicious with this move back up. There, I said it. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX, because of the CPI, VIX coming down a little bit. It came down a little bit. It's still quite high. I know we are still at 23. Volatility came down quite well today. Let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. And the Dow Jones If we look at Dow Jones, so Dow Jones is rebounding here a little bit. What else? We have a rebound also S&P 500. We have a rebound for Nasdaq, but we don't have stochastic yet on any of them. This is a good example where you could play this on the 1 hour chart, because on the daily chart, it's going to take, I assume, a couple of days, 2, 3, 4 days in order for stochastic to come back. But Tesla could be going higher like this. It's possible. I don't know. Nobody knows what is going to happen. But if Tesla goes super high fast without any stochastic, this is still a big move. And we don't have a specific buy signal on the daily chart, because on the daily chart, we at least need a break of 187.41 and a good stochastic to get this. But at the rate that Tesla is going, we could be having a break at 187.41 without having a stochastic. Then we are not supposed to enter, because this is not our buy criteria. But this move might still be a nice move. In those instances, when the daily chart is not good enough, you can still chance it on the 1 hour chart. So you can go on the 1 hour chart and play this on the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, you have the ability to enter a little bit sooner, because on the 1 hour chart, we broke this downward resistance with a good stochastic. We have two de-risking criteria. We have the break of downward resistance, and we have stochastic over 60. And we could have considered that there was a congestion zone right here at 178.40. From the 1 hour chart perspective, we have our buy signal, if you want to get into it. If you want to catch the move that might be happening for the rest of the week, I suggest that you do it on the 1 hour chart. So you could catch a little bit of a move. And if it turns back around, then you can spot the next congestion zone that you are going to see and use that as a sell. And you enter here and you sell here, and you have a nice little move, and you let maybe the stock fall down. And then when it comes back around again, then maybe everything will be great on the daily chart, and we are going to get a great buy signal on the daily chart. And then you can enter on the daily chart for a bigger move that will last longer. So basically, this is what I am going to do. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.